4 things you can do now to be your best self. Appreciate your body. The physical body is one of the top answers people provide when you ask them what they would change about themselves. It is challenging to be your best self when you can't even appreciate your physical body. The more you will respect and appreciate your body, the more you will want to take care of it. You can start appreciating your body by thanking it for allowing you to be alive, to be able to move around, look around, and think. Become aware of your body-shaming self-talk. And every time you find yourself degrading your body, shift your mindset to show gratitude toward one aspect that your body provides you. Self-love and self-respect are essential to be your best self, and it starts with embracing your body, no matter what size or shape it is. Learn your triggers. We all have subjects that trigger anger or negative emotions within us. When we are aware of those triggers, it allows you to work to become less impacted by them and automatically change to be a better version of yourself. Start by identifying what subject frustrates you or angers you. Is it politics, women's rights, self-entitlement, war, etc.? Take a piece of paper or a journal and write down the subjects that tend to irritate you. Then ask yourself a more profound question. Why do you overreact to that subject? Why are you unable to express your opinion or point of view without feeling angry or angered? The more you get to know what triggers you about the subject, the easier it will be to avoid going into that dark space when someone brings up those subjects. The more neutral you can be, the easier it will be to show your best self when the conversation piece arises. And the more likely others will listen to your point of view. Discover your personal power. We all have personal power, and most of us have given our power to others. Your personal power is your mind. If you want to be your best self, you need to learn to use your personal power. You can use your power to see yourself in the driver's seat of your life. That would mean taking responsibility for where you are right now. Let go of the need to blame others for the life you've created or the awful moments you've experienced. When you recognize your personal power, you are empowered to be your best self. You know you can do whatever you want because no one has the power to control your mind. Change your mindset and change your life. Be in the mindset that you have everything that you need right now to be your best self. Master your fear. Fear is what stands in the way between you and your best self. Fear is what will paralyze you from making a decision or making the changes that will improve your life and allow you to live from the heart. There is this belief that you have to get rid of the fear to be able to move forward. Many don't realize that you can still move forward while being afraid. The idea is to master your fear enough so that it doesn't stop you from doing something. On the other hand, it is acceptable to do something while being terrified. Take small steps toward the change and do it even if it's frightening. For example, if you know that having your own business will allow you to be more aligned with your best self, take small steps toward building your business. It could be as simple as creating a business plan or even a logo. Small steps will allow you to get some wins and make the big goal less frightening. As you've seen from those 4 ideas, being your best self can be accessible now. You can start with small steps to living a life where you are more aligned with your best self.